Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Adeel. Back to back clicking again. Once again, I have come up with a great video that is about the introduction, how to introduce yourself in different way. Because most of the guys and even professionals, they get themselves confused whenever there's a time of intro, and it's always been absolutely handy for them and a little bit confusional because they really have a problem to make themselves introduce in front of the other. But if you want to enhance your communication skill and if you want to groom your personality as far as your fluency in speaking, so keep connected with me and subscribe my YouTube channel English with Adeel by clicking on the link below. You will really get through my videos which will really would help to develop your communication skill as well. Link is already given in the description box. Just go into the description box, click the link, and straight away you will be on my channel. Just subscribe this and don't forget to press the bell icon and press the all, so you will get all the notifications coming in my videos, right? And don't forget to drop your comment right in the comment box. Now we are going to start the class today. That is about the introduction. And introduction, we start from the demonstrative pronoun. This is, and I have already told in my previous video that this is called demonstrative pronoun and we use it in our speaking. So read and listen. In the picture you are just seeing different people, they are meeting to each other. Listen and read. So nice to meet you. Now the communication. There you go for the communication. So these are the two persons here. Pablo, this is Ben. Ben, this is Mika. Mika, this is Ben. Now, hello Ben, hello Mika. In this picture, Pablo is going to introduce Ben and Mika to each other. So when they start their communication, they say, Ben, this is Mika. Mika, this is Ben. Now Mika says, hello Ben, and Ben says, hello Mika. Is it clear? So when you are sitting in and third person come in and you are going to introduce the second and the third one to each other, this slide really would help you to make others introduce to each other, right? So once again I'm repeating that. Ben, this is Mika. Mika, this is Ben. Hello Ben. Hello Mika. When lastly they say hello to and hi to each other, right? Now this is a little cameo, little exercise for you guys. You can also do practice on it. Ben, this is Mika. Mika, this is Ben. Hello Ben. Hello Mika. So you can use your own name to do your practice on it and it really will develop your communication skill. Now, going towards the next slide, what we have next? Now this is going to be, the slide is for you. Here I'm going to tell you, nice to meet you. How to say nice to meet you. Now, this is the slide now. Judy and Robert, they are going to meet each other in this slide. So how they will start and how they say nice to meet you. Judy and Robert. Judy asks, hello, my name is Judy Coblins. Hello, I'm Robert Smith. Nice to meet you. And what Judy says, and you. Once again I'm repeating. Hello, my name is Judy Coblins. Hello, I'm Robert Smith. Nice to meet you. And you. You can use your own name. Let's suppose, hello, my name is Adeel. And you're? Okay, that's fine. I'm Robert Smith. Nice to meet you. And you. So this is the short expression that you give in your speaking. Next slide, what I have, listen and repeat. You can also do practice on different slides by taking that. Practice in pairs. Say first your name and surname. Hello, my name is Judy Coblins. Judy would be the first name and Coblins would be the surname. Let's suppose if I use my name. Hello, my name is Adeel Shah. Adeel would be the first name and Shah would be the surname. Means the family name that you add with your name, right? Hello, I'm Robert Smith. Robert is your first name and Smith is your surname. So this is how. Nice to meet you and you. This is what we have to use in our communication, right? Okay, going to the next slide. Well, as you know that with speaking, pronunciation is absolutely important because most of the guys and even many of the students and many of the professionals, they want to enhance their fluency. And why they can't improve their fluency? Because they don't have the right way to pronounce the word. So pronunciation is absolutely important and it really will enhance your fluency too. Because lexical resources, coherence and fluency, this is going to be the most important part of the speaking session. So while learning speaking, what we have to do is we have to enhance our pronunciation. Now these are the names written in front of you and how would you pronounce that? James Bond, James Bond, Robert Taylor, Robert Taylor, Henry Baker, Susie Walsh, Anita Johnson, Catherine Smith. So this is how we pronounce the word. Once again, James Bond, Robert Taylor, Henry Baker, Susie Walsh, Anita Johnson, and Catherine Smith. This is the way how to pronounce the word in English style. If you want to enhance the fluency and communication skill, you have to work on your pronunciation. Once again, I'm saying that pronunciation, pronunciation, because most of the words we pronounce wrong. For example, in school and colleges, you have listened that grapes are sour. It's not sour. The word sour. Grapes are sour. And then we say, I want to buy branded clothes. It's not going to be clothes. According to IP rule, it's clothes. I want a branded clothes. I want to buy branded clothes. Now, clothes and sour, these are the rules of IP assembles. What we have to do, we need to understand those rules as well, and we have to work on phonetics to get our communication stronger one, right? So, in this short video, we have learned about the demonstrative pronoun. I'm going to sum up this one. And there you got the first slide. It's the introduction. We have studied this is, how we are going to introduce each other by using this is, and there you go for the sample. And this is the slide. Now, Ben, this is Mika. Mika, this is Ben. Hello, Ben. Hello, Mika. This is what we use the demonstrative pronoun in our speaking. And as far as going towards the next slide is, and there you go. Now, nice to meet you. How we say nice to meet you in our speaking? That is communication between the two person, Judy and Robert. Hello, my name is Judy Coblins. Hello, I'm Robert Smith. Nice to meet you. And you. And last is, and the final one, but not the least, is going to be the pronunciation. That is important. James Bond, Robert Taylor, Henry Baker, Susie Walsh, Anita Johnson, and Catherine Smith. So, this is going to be the short session, and I hope you would like this video. And just watch, and don't forget to put your comment right in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Your comments are absolutely valuable for me. So, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.